everyone, welcome to HUAWEI USG6000 Hardware Installation and Maintenance Multimedia course. In this course, we will learn how to install one or two hard disks units. A hard disk unit consists of a 2.5 inches SAS hard disk and a hard disk tray. The device supports the installation of a single hard disk or dual hard disks. The dual hard disks of a 3U device must be grouped into RAID1, which implements data redundancy based on data mirroring to improve data accessibility and security. SAS indicates the type of interface on the hard disk unit. 300G, 600G, or 1200G indicates the storage space size. Before installation, you need to prepare tools and understand these precautions. Next, we'll show you how to install hard disk. Step 1. Remove the filler panel. Step 2. Pull the ejector lever on the hard disk unit. Step 3. Push the hard disk unit. Step 4. Fasten the ejector lever of the hard disk unit. After the device is powered on, the hard disk running indicator should be steady on or blink. For a device with a single hard disk, run the display disk information command in any view to check whether file system status is mounted. For a device with dual hard disks, check whether file system status is unmounted and disk rate mode is inactive. Run the reset rate primary disk id command in the system view to create RAID1, and the specified disk serves as the primary disk. After 4 to 5 hours, run the display disk information command to check whether file system status is mounted and whether disk rate mode is active.